Here's how AI is going to retire you from your 9 to 5 and make you rich as fuck. That you can literally do while you're sitting on the toilet taking a shit. First, make sure you're in a growth niche: health, wealth, or relationships. Let's say you go with wealth. You can go over to Digistore 24 and go to the marketplace. Find the wealth section and choose a product, something like this, Tube Mastery, with a good earning potential and commission. Then you're going to head over to this site and go ahead and sign up for free. And once you get in, you'll see that you'll have all the knowledge bots in one place. So we're going to use ChatGPT for this one, and we're going to ask it something like this. And it's going to go ahead and write out the whole script for you. Then you're going to take that over to this site and sign up for free. And this is where you're going to create your video. Once you get inside, you'll see you have lots of template choices, and you can create your video from here. Post a video like this, crazy, right? Directing people to buy the product in your profile. So one of these a day and you got over 6 G's a month effortlessly. Now, if you want to learn about my favorite side hustle, follow and check out the free training in my profile.